Hi, let's discuss one previous question of runtime environment compiler. This question was asked in GATE CS 2021 set 1 question number 4. Consider the following statements. Two statements are given. Which one of the following option is correct? And four options are given. For solving this question, you should have knowledge about activation tree. What is activation tree? We can represent the activation of procedure during the running of entire program by a tree called as activation tree. Runtime memory area can be divided into four parts. First is code, second is static, third is heap, and fourth one is stack. Activation tree comes under stack. How we are calling a procedure, how a procedure return, that we can represent by a activation tree. I already discussed two activation tree, one for quicksort and another for Fibonacci number during lecture. Link will be in description, also in I button. Just go through that lecture. And these two statements are directly taken from the Ullman book. These two statements are present in Ullman book as it is they asked itself. Also during my lecture, I explained these two statements with example. Just go through my lecture, you can easily understand. So first statement, the sequence of procedure calls correspond to pre-order traversal of the activation tree. This is true. Then second statement, the sequence of procedure returns corresponding to post-order traversal of the activation tree. Statement 2 is also true. Pre-order traversal is same as procedure call, while post-order traversal is same as procedure return. I already discussed with example, just go through my lecture that you can understand how pre-order traversal is same as procedure call and how post-order traversal is same as procedure return. So both the statements are true. Now check the option. In option C, both the statements are true. So answer will be option C. S1 is true and S2 is true. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.